about to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me today. I have been showing you guys everything that I've been purchasing this year, and I plan to continue to do so. It not only helps keep myself on budget and on track with things, but also I hope that it does encourage you. You might pick up an idea here or there. So this is what we bought at Wegmans. I live in Pennsylvania. I'm not sure how broad Wegmans is as an actual grocery store. Let me know if you have them in your area or not. But that is where we went today. And so let me quickly show you everything that we purchased. I will insert the clip here, the water. We just pulled a jug out of this package here, but we bought 6 packages. There are 4 gallons in each one, and they were $3 per package. I have been wanting to buy the Berkey filter for the longest time, and my husband and I have really been talking about it again a lot lately, and I think we're going to make the purchase this year. We're going to finally bite the bullet. Why do we say that? What is that saying even supposed to be? We're going to go ahead and we're going to purchase the Berkey filter hopefully sometime this year. But for now, we needed water. So we bought 6 cases of water at Wegmans. It is the best price locally, and it is really good spring water. A few years back, when my kids had their first sleepover at my parents' house, my mom introduced them to oatmeal packets. They never had them before. So now every time they go to my parents' house for a sleepover, they beg for oatmeal. It's the sweetest thing ever. So basically, I don't buy oatmeal packets too often. The main reason is just because it is cheaper to make it from scratch, make it homemade. But anyway, my kids think personal sized oatmeal packets are the best thing ever, so they're going to enjoy having this. Also, it is going to be a little bit of a convenience for the mornings where I'm really struggling because I currently have a leg injury. So we bought this oatmeal, and it was 3 for just under $5 for the Wegmans brand. It is lower sugar, so I'm happy about that. I was sure to grab the lower sugar option. It has like a quarter of the amount of sugar compared to the other varieties. So oatmeal for an 8-pound bag. This was just $6.99 for the Empire apples, and they are just delicious. We eat lots of apples here in our home, so I'm happy about those. And every time we go to Wegmans, I see them, and I always think to myself, ooh, I should grab one, and I don't. I did. Today, I splurged and I grabbed a tomato pie. So we're going to enjoy that. And I told you in my last video that I actually want to make some homemade pizza. And funny thing is, we were at Wegmans and I forgot to buy the whole tomatoes that I wanted for my tomato sauce. But I did grab some marinara sauce. It is so tasty. We bought the tomato basil and the Parmesan Romano. Those two have been some of our favorites for years now. Pardon my voice. I don't know if you guys can tell or not, but my voice is really raspy. Sometimes when I'm finished doing homeschool lessons and, you know, come this time of day, I just feel like I don't have much of a voice left. Anyway, so the checkout aisle got us. My husband grabbed this for like a little video he wants to do. And then this, I guess, for us to share. We bought some chicken breasts. Locally, $1.99 is typically our average price, best price for fresh, boneless, skinless chicken breast. I can score it for less at Aldi's from time to time. Sometimes they have it for like $1.50 per pound, but just on a regular week when there's not a lot of sales going on or anything like that, for the last few years, $1.99 has been the best price. So we bought 2 big family packs of that, $12.48 for the first one. $11.74. That one's a little bit smaller. So here we have a beautiful ham, and this was marked down. It was priced at 99 cents per pound. I'm not sure if these were like the holiday leftovers, but here it says distributed, let's see here, prepare or freeze by February 28th. So I have plenty of time to pop this in the freezer. This was just one of those things that it was a great price. It caught our eye, so it came home with us. So we went to Wegmans primarily for water, chicken, and then this soap. This soap here has been one of my favorites for quite a few years now. It is just amazing. So let me know if you're a fan of Dr. Bronners. But this is pure Castile Soap, citrus, my favorite. And then we also went ahead and got rose this time around. So these 2 here will last us for at least a good few months. I use it for so many things. I'm thinking about doing like a favorites video every month And so if I do it for this month, you're going to see this soap in that video. Anyway, thank you so much for joining me. I'm going to get ready to go ahead and make a quick dinner. We're going to have this tomato pie with some leftover salad that we have in the fridge, some veggies. I'm going to take my raspy voice and put all of this away, have dinner, and just have a nice evening with my family. So I hope you're all having a great day. Thank you so much for joining me. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye, everyone.